Hi, and welcome to a very cold and snowy Leighton Buzzard. Now, I am often given a lot of excuses by business owners, professionals, and people who want to get started with video marketing, that they don't have time, they don't have the setup, the surroundings, and every excuse under the sun. Well, here I am in the wet and the cold, not in a very exotic location. As you can see and hear a lot of traffic noise in the background. All you need is a little microphone, which you can even handheld, and a smartphone, which I'm using right now to shoot this video. If you have the inclination and you make up your mind that I'm going to do my marketing using video, then there shouldn't be anything stopping you. All I would say is it doesn't matter if there's a little bit of imperfection. The sound is not 100% right now, but so be it. It makes a different kind of video, and I'm here trying to prove a point that if you want to do something, no matter what, and against all odds, you should be able to do it, and you should carry on doing this until you achieve your goals. So that's it from me for now. Here's a little bit of footage of a very cold Leighton Buzzard. I'll see you soon in my next video.